Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be decorating my coffee station. So stay with me to the end so you can get some ideas to decorate you simple but in a glamorous style. So we're gonna start with the shelf on the top. Okay, so right there I have this beautiful plate, has a snowman on it, and I got it in a thrift store for only $3. So I'm gonna just put it right here. Okay, there it goes. And then in the corner I'm gonna put this one that I color gold and my candy bowl, and I just put some ornaments on it. It's gonna be here on this corner. Okay, so then in the other corner I have the sugar and the coffee canisters. Here is the coffee one. I'm gonna put this cake stand. This is from TJ Maxx. Right in the middle, and I'm gonna put it with a set of 3 clear acrylic Christmas tree, and it's flat. It's up. Other one. This one are from Burlington, and I have it like 3 years ago. Okay, right there. In the corner, I'm gonna put this beautiful gnome. This $9.99, and I think this one is from Hobby Lobby. So I pay $5 for it for 50% off. And I got this snow sign. I'm gonna put it just in front of it. I take off the price, but I pay like $4 for it. It was on sale. And this one is from Dollar General. There it goes. Okay, now we're gonna be doing the middle one. Here I have my coffee maker. That one is from Walmart. Okay, so in that one I got this set of plates. It has like 4 pieces, and I think I'm using 3 of them in the kitchen now. My neighbor moved on and she gave it to me, and it's adorable. It is on glass. Just gonna put it right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this cart. This cart is from Target, from the dollar spot, and I got the 2 cups on the top. That's from the thrift store, and I pay like 75 cents for each one. And this one on the bottom, and this one out from Home Goods. And I think I pay like $3 for each one, $3 or $4. I can't remember well. And in the front, in the middle, I'm gonna put this one. Is a jar for the milk, and I just put some pigs from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. So it covers the hole that we have there. I'm gonna put this towel just here, and the milk shaker. This one is from Amazon. And this spoons, beautiful things. This This one are from Temu. I'm just gonna put it right here. And this beautiful tree, this one is from Bells, and I got it last year. I put it in this corner, so maybe I can put the spoons here and the towel here. No, I prefer this, just like that. Okay, so now we're gonna do the bottom. I forgot. For the milk and the spoons from Shein, it's gonna be right here. Okay, now we're gonna work in the bottom. So in the bottom, I have the other one. You see the tray is from the same set as this one. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here on the middle. In the back of it, I'm gonna put my coffee sign. This one is from Dollar Tree. It is from last year. Okay, this one I got it in a thrift store for only $1, and I spray painted a gold. I'm going to put it in this corner. And in the tray, I'm gonna put these two beautiful cups, coffee cups, mugs, $4.99. Okay, they are from Burlington. It says in Spanish, La mejor abuela del mundo, the best grandma ever from the world, because I'm a grandma for the first time. And here, todo lo que quiero para Navidad eres tú. Everything that I want for Christmas is you. So I'm gonna put both of them here on the tray. In the middle of it, I'm gonna do this cute tree that I DIY last year. So if you didn't saw that video, I did many Christmas tree last year. You can go and watch them. Also this year, I did amazing Christmas tree using cardboard and shopping mats. So you have to go and watch that video. I'm just gonna put it right here on the middle. Okay. Then in this side, I'm gonna put the nativity set. I just put, it brings lights, but it gets damaged. So I put a fairy light. These fairy lights are from Amazon. So I'm gonna put it right in this corner. Okay. And then in the other corner, I'm gonna put this little tree that lights up, and the angel. The angel also supposed to light up, but I don't know what happened. I really don't know. So maybe I have to go and buy some batteries. So here is how it looks. I also have Dollar Tree lights under it, so we can light up every corner. Here I have the trees lighted up, but I also have here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you a closer look. If you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And on the top, I put a tree that I also DIY using a bath mat, and I spray painted gold. I did that one this year. So you can go and find that video here on my channel. So that is my coffee station. So please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up if you like it. It is very simple and a very clear decoration. See you soon. Kisses and hugs. Bye.